Hello and welcome to my channel. This is we're going to create a new project. As you remember guys, last time we created a turtle project, but this time we'd like to make it even more better. So first of all we'd like to import turtle. Yep, so guys we import turtle. T equals turtle dot turtle. Yep. Then we can write t dot speed 0 turtle dot bg color, background color is black. Yep. Next thing we'd like to do is write colors of which it can draw. Equals, open up the bracket. Okay, so it can be cyan, then magenta, then it can be yellow, then it can be lime, then it can be orange. Yep guys, next thing we'd like to do is write for I in range 200 times t dot colors, and open up new brackets and write I percentage 5 t dot forward I. Yep. Next thing we'd like to do t dot right 59. Next thing we'd like to do is come over here turtle dot done. Yep guys, let's save it up and let's run it. So as you see guys, these are the colors that we chose, and it's making a really cool design. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.